Well, hey guys, Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. Today, what I thought I'd do is show what I believe to be probably by far the easiest and simplest method to create drainage ports in your solo cup for planting seedlings, or if you got a seedling and you're gonna transplant them into here before you hard them off, or whatever you're gonna do. The traditional method basically is, take anything sharp and just poke holes in it, or a soldering iron and poke holes in it, or just get a metal rod and a pair of pliers and a little torch and heat it up. The problem with that is not everybody's got that type of equipment, it's not always feasible to do it that way. So what I thought I'd do is show you a method that I use and that anyone can really use, because most people have this one tool, and that one tool is a pair of scissors. So what you do is, I've got the square bottom solo cups, I do like those. You take and you just cut just at the corner here, and it's gonna make a slot, and then you do the same thing over here. Okay, and just kind of clean it up a little bit. So now what you've got, see if I can get this up in here in the camera, you see, you just got slots. And I actually believe, me personally, that this drains a lot better. Most of your trays, whether it be like this 1020 or this little thing here, they've got these ridges, so when you put the tray that fits in here, and and another tray will fit in here, it's like a standoff. It holds it up, okay? But there are some trays out there that are just totally flat. And so if you've just got holes, and most people, they poke the holes this way so the dimple comes out here. Mechanically speaking, if you want quicker flow, you want to poke the hole down so that it goes out. Here you don't have to worry about any of that. But like if you've got the holes and you've got it on a flat surface, there's not much drainage in there. But if you've got this on a flat surface, see what I mean? It's going to drain no matter what. So, any rate, just thought I'd show you a little something that I do, and hope you found some value to it. And if you have, please rate, comment, subscribe. Alright guys, well, it's been Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. As always, till next time, pack light, pack tight, stay hydrated.